Good morning, students. Welcome back to Social Study. Today we are going to start a new chapter which is latitudes and longitudes. So, latitudes tang longitude ra. Nigi thanda di kirang chula tungyo shtua di mixi ki class 7 ki lote mare ra di class 6 ki ni ki base chini tuing khashlana class 7 la comparison chuwaina dwa class 6 ka jidila this details la thi dura kirang so go chuga la yang le law yong ki re samsra. Okay, so the start chigi ra in sangma tuna ya puterochi. Sometimes it becomes unnecessary to locate a country or a village or a place on a globe or a map. How do you do it? So nganju lungpa dinju tang ani saja nang sing tang an chicha like village to nganju ki che tu kapsla ra khan tai ye last tang nganju ki mangches globe yang na map la tai gi ra ta globe la tu nganju ki jumbling khaji into the shape do che anti khala gore and there la stand do chi nganju ma usually nganju globe ta la pheju tang gi wa map la tu direct horizontal do shiri ta nganju ki khala or chart paper nang singi in the na ra so ta dinju nganju ki ta di process ta tang di ni ra globe tang map ni ta gi res ra. There are several horizontal and vertical lines drawn on the globe and maps. So nganju ki globe yang na map nang lo la horizontal tang vertical lines nju like thisha re lasrata horizontal la tu tang nganju ki indi shini ra straight parallel che vertical la tu mala indi lines nju you res ra. These lines are khare imaginary lines like you re lasta imaginary lines la tu kapsla real lines mare real la tu ngoni lines mare susuki imagine chigyo nju lines nju res ra. They are called latitudes and longitude. Tinjula khan like la horizontal lines tang vertical lines tigo imaginary line tinjula latitudes tang longitudes like it is ra. These imaginary lines are very important for locating places or even our country on the map of the world. The tinjo imaginary lines tinjo pe khechembu res ra ta khechembu kyumje khaslana to locate the places or our country susuki thesa saje tang susuki lungpa dwa khani khala duglan dinju ki ha khwe chidula an di pe khechembu res ra. And di even nganji ki khala gore equator ni distance de kham du tang north pole tang south pole la distances du kha du tang lungpa ni saje ki parak la khala ore distance khachu du ta dinjo changma lai res ra ta dinga ju ki shukra dishi kya pura ta there first dila khan dula na latitudes tu ra. Latitudes are imaginary lines drawn parallel to the equator from east to west. Ta ju ki east lana there ra west lana there ra east, west, north, south la rada dela north pole tang dela south pole che. So latitudes are imaginary line drawn parallel to the equator from east to the west. Nganju ki ra equator lana the center la equator la ki re ra and latitudes lana khande to re lana these are the khan lana imaginary line chi res ra imaginary line la tu nganju ki susuki imagine chikyo ra which is parallel to the equator ni chin ra din sangma line di chikpa chikya yu res ra I mean parallel yu res ra from khan lana east ni west patla ra. They are imaginary horizontal line yang like it is ra imaginary horizontal lana straight che vertical lana mala. In other words, latitudes are the angular distance of a place north or south of the equator. Ta manju ki the equator la ra ta de ni there some distance ta there ni there some distance ra dinjo lai na yang manju ki distance la kha lagi la na latitudes lang lai res ra. anzu gi the equator digi dinzo parts need la ever chigire ro ta the distance di ha kwela rang latitude ki ropa chigire ra. The equator is an imaginary line drawn in the middle of the earth from east to west. The equator lana khan lana equator lana it is a imaginary line series ra suzuki imagine chigo line series ra which is drawn in the middle of the earth ki zambuling ki ra kima dila thesha res ra from khan lana is ni west patula ra. It divides the earth into kare two equal half nila kuki res ra. The 0 degree latitude is called equator. The 0 degree laura then ni and ya start chigire ra 90 degree patlan then ni mala 90 degree patlan res ra. There are 90 degree latitudes in the north of the equator. So north ki equator lauta then ni equator ni ya patla ngajik 90 degree ngon la nang shinkira then ni ani south patla 90 res ra. Dila khan lagila na north latitudes lagire ra di nang shinki there are 90 degree latitude in the south ra. South lana yok de ra yok lani ngajik khan lagila na south latitudes lagire ra. The 90 degree of latitude is just a point ra, and they are called north pole dang south pole yang like it laster. The there la north pole dang south pole yang like it is ra. And south pole in the northern hemisphere and north pole in the northern hemisphere and south pole in the southern hemisphere la yang like it is ra. There are altogether kazo lana 90 and 90 tomna kyatang kichi ra. Altogether 180 latitudes here ra. Latitudes are expressed in degrees la express here ra. Kiran so there la thong na 0 degree 23.5 degree 66.5 degree north la ne tuin twa degree la express here ra minutes la gyurki re digira and second la yang gyurki res ra. The latitudes nanglo la kechimbu khala gore important 5 important latitudes nga res ra. The there la show chidwa. First dila equator lagire ra. Equator la na center de which is 0 degree in sachire ra. Next one dila Tropic of Cancer lagire ra ta di layer dila Tropic of Cancer di degree khajo la na 23.5 degree north ra ta di ya into north chaswa ani Arctic Circle la sorry and the di opposite dila tropic ra imbala Tropic of Capricorn chakire ra ta dila south chakire ra di north che di yo ding on the south into 23 and half south ra. Next one is Arctic Circle ra 66.5 north che degree and Antarctic di circle di 66.5 degree south chakres ra. Dinjo points sunso tang ani nganji gi meaning longitude lana khare latitude lana khan lan dinjo go chue di basic dinjo go chue di kechin bo re sam gi dura ta din nanglo la. Next di nganjo longitude la ra. The longitude la tu caps la ta di pani yang khande la na imaginary lines rang res ra suzuki ra imagine chigo the imaginary line drawn from the north pole ta nganjo ngoni north pole tang south pole line ba which is drawn from the north pole to the south pole across the equator. The di kima the equator shakire ra di la khande la na equator di in the center di shakire ra di north pole shakire di south pole shakire res ra. They are morning and horizontal la so horizontal la to phala line di vertical la na khare ma la do. They are vertical and semicircle lines ra, and all the lines of the longitudes meets at the two poles of the earth. The pole chik shakire the second pole shakire jingi ka ni khan la gore meets chigire ra thukire ra. In other words, longitude is an angular distances of that place east or west of a meridian. Tangaji ki dila meridian se yang lagi res ra. Digi paras tu angaji ki the 0 degree longitude lana angaji ki dila khan lagi lana meridian se yang lagi re ra. Digi angaji distance kang ha ko gi lana Deni de patlang deni de patla distance zo between those east ni west east ni center patu che and center ni east patla ra sorry west patla ngaji ki distances zo tungi res ra 0 degree longitude is called the 0 degree dikima the center de chake re ra dila khang lagi lana ngaji ki prime meridian lagi re ra. It passes through Greenwich in London and prime meridian divides the earth into two equal parts. The prime meridian digi ngoni ngajigi equator la equator digi parts ni la ewa chi dwa dinang shingi del into del la prime meridian digi parts ni la earth di divide chi dos dwa. The part east of the meridian is called Eastern Hemisphere and west of the meridian is called Western Hemisphere. The east la to di chok la ora di pass la khan lagi la na Eastern Hemisphere che di ni di pass padula Western Hemisphere like those ra. They are all together 360 longitudes. Longitudes khazu la na 360 degree yodes ra. To the east of the meridian there are east ni di nanglo la meridian padula khazu la na kya ta kheju degree, and to the west of the meridian there are 180 degree rang those ra. Longitude ki khande do ropa chi la na ngaju ki thuzu ta le na ya ropa chi res ra ta de la ngaju ki ngoni northern hemisphere la na del equator ni ya padula northern hemisphere che equator ni ma padula ani southern hemisphere di nangshin ki del la eastern hemisphere ra. Prime meridian ki di padula eastern hemisphere che ani prime meridian ki phale west padula ani western hemisphere la ki res ra. Longitudes and latitudes are expressed in degrees. So degree la express chure kran so ngoni thongi na ra del la degrees ni show chi dwa. And for example, the latitude of Nepal is the there 26 tidura the updated hinsa marina yang dela exact dagam yore la ni team indura the ni dela chi to show the Nepal khaji case la imba ina ra 28.3949 degree north dura ani latitude che longitude sti 84.1240 degree east those ra ta dela chance ki dela imba na 20 in between te dwa ta ngi dela chance la exact la shawera din point note chiro chilai. Each degree is divided into the degree dikha chila na chance ki divide chi du ra minutes la convert chi du ra and minutes dikha la convert chila na second la convert chi ni indication na ji thisu tungi res ra. So the simple nigi khala gore khante kang tup nigi this chigle lao do la ni deshi kya ra ta kyan se ki thuna te na ya pu chu ki resam ki du ra in case yang gom ha chu ena ya gonita ro chilai and there even key terms so yur ra hemisphere lana half parts of the earth ki half parts so che merely lana just or only angular lana having angles or sharp corners. The tara yi ra ani yapuchini khala ore taro chilai ani. Thank you.